Working on this ripping table saw, this video is not teaching you how to use this tool, but when to use it. You still need to get checked off in order to use it. Things on this saw need to be at least 12 inches long to cut in here, and you need to control the piece through here, so they need to be long enough so that as you're controlling it, the riving knife can get it before you have to push it all the way through. So this is not long enough, but this is more than 12 or 15 inches, and it is long enough. It also depends on how much to the side you have. Obviously this is not long enough, but if it were and it was pretty wide over here, it still might not be that safe to use on the table saw. Let's say I want to fabricate a 2-inch long strip. I'm going to make sure I've got a straight line down this edge that can follow the fence. I'm going to set my fence to 2 inches. I'm going to get an appropriate push stick ready, and I can make my 2-inch part here. Dust collector, table saw, and that is ready to go. Now if I want to make that a certain distance, I'm going to walk around this to the other saw. Sorry, a certain length I meant to say. And I can set this on the saw here to 6 inches or whatever I desire, and get that cut. Now, if I want to make this thing skinnier, this is not the right saw to do it on. You need more support using the fence over there. And if it gets too short in both dimensions, you need to go just find another bigger piece of wood to start with. I'm going to make 2 pieces so we can go ahead and assemble them at the other station.